This is a fantastic walk-around video provided by a customer named Robert in North Carolina. He used the BlueTex 62-inch wide product on his tubular steel building. The size is about 30 by 40. Now, I'm not sure if you would call this a man cave or a garage, but whatever it is, I love it. So you can see he ran the BlueTex up and down on his framing inside his metal building. The first thing I want to point out is that he's got a portable air conditioning in this building. In fact, he's got a couple. And this is exactly what BlueTex is designed for. It's either for what we call non-conditioned or semi-conditioned buildings. He's out there occasionally working on his cars or in the garage, turns on his portable AC unit. He keeps it perfectly comfortable as needed when needed. And also you could put a little space heater in there in the winter. The foil side is reflecting the heat in the summer, and the foam in the white side will provide enough protection to eliminate or minimize condensation in the winter. He also used the BlueTex insulation inside the roll-up garage door. He just used double-sided tape, applied it to the inside, and trimmed it off. As you can see from the video, Robert is a veteran, and if you want to thank him for his service or compliment him on his garage, please leave a comment below. For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com. Be sure to order your free sample kit. We want to get this product in your hands so you can compare it to anything else out there. It's absolutely the best, most durable combination radiant barrier, vapor barrier, and insulation you can find anywhere.